Hi guys, welcome back to Cocktail Friday. So today I was thinking we'd do a summery cocktail. It's going to be the Daiquiri. I know the weather's not great today, but Sunday is supposed to be nice again, so you can make them up Sunday afternoon and have your boozy Sundays. Now, for this we're going to need some white rum, simple syrup and lime juice. Okay, so you're going to have 2 ounces of rum, which is approximately 60 milliliters, so that's just under 2 measures. An ounce of lime juice, so about 30 mils, and 25.5 mils of sugar syrup. Now, and your ice. We'll shake for about 20 seconds. Shake it. Oh, I have a chilled glass here. Strain it into your glass. Garnish it then with a lime wheel if you like. And there, you have your classic daiquiri. Happy Friday everyone.